Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Duolingo. You will click on settings. You will go here to settings as you see and you will enter. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then we'll update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and